just doing these cuts now. This is the third day. Everything's going well. A lot of cutting in this floor, but it's working out all right. I'm out of the rain. It's raining. I'm not having to go in and out, so it's cool. Here I'm just having to trim a little bit off. Sometimes your first cut doesn't always work out, so you just give it a bit of a trim. And there we have it. So what I'm doing this morning is I'm cutting all my cuts, and then I'll mix up and put them in. So it's I haven't got many to go, so it's working out well. All right, we'll see you soon. I've discussed the grout colour. They want it matching the bathroom there. So yeah, all good. See you soon. That's Chriso. I've kicked out all my clips, all my wedges. Now I'm just about to start just checking my lines for glue. A good thing to remember is, if you can, try and cut your glue out. Like I always use a knife. Some people have other ideas. It's the quickest and best way I know. But another thing to remember is try and do it the day after you lay, because your glue is still green and it's so easy to do your glue. But it's hard because you don't want to stop tiling, you want to get it down. Or even 2 days, but you know, being a DIY, it would be hard because you're doing it in your spare time, and then the weekend goes and you still haven't cut out your glue and that sort of thing. See how easy it is when it's the next day. You're not forcing anything, you're not well, you don't really scratch your tile anyway, but it's so much easier. I saw a video this morning and I thought, whoa, that is one hell of a mess. Try and keep your lines clean. You know, you don't want to be a day laying. You don't want to be a day laying your tiles and then 3 days cleaning grout lines. No. Nice and clean. Keep everything clean. I'm going to be doing white silicone, so I'll grout first, pack away my tools. By then the grout will be dry. I'm not scratching my tile by doing this. But when you're, you know, if you're a contract tiler, it's all right. If you're a DIY, you've got plenty of time. But if you can keep it clean, you're not spending hours going back. This was laid yesterday. Look how easy it is. Try and stop laying and pull out your clips and clean before it goes, before your glue dries too hard. It's way quicker. You save so much time. We'll see you soon. I'll carry on. I'll mix up my grout and I'll come back to you. See you soon.